Hello everyone, welcome to HR365 Payroll application. Here I'm going to give you a brief description on our payroll management application. Payroll software is a very crucial software of any successful organization. Due to large number of calculations and statutory compliance requirements, payroll needs to be managed efficiently. Choosing the right application can save your time, efforts, and increase the productivity. In payroll, the HR admin can fulfill all the actions required to complete the payroll process. They can get the accurate salaries out in few clicks with all the data centrally linked from employees hiring, salary approval, loans and advances, leave management, expense reimbursement, attendance, calculate LOPs, tax deduction, declaration, disbursement of salary, generate the salary statement, and finally send the payslip to the employee. Before getting into the payroll process, in settings, the salary structure can be prepared based on the different grades and levels of the employee. It would be useful while adding the employees into the payroll process. Here you can configure the various salary structure templates based on the organization level. In templates, you can define various salary components as an absolute or as a percentage value of the CTC. In this case, I'm going to put basic as 54%, then automatically it would allocate 46% in allowance. If you're not certain with these fields, we can add more fields also, as well as we can remove the existing component fields. Once the changes are done, don't forget to click on Update. While processing the payroll, every month there are new additions of the employees or removal of certain employees. All those changes are taken care under the new hold, stop and release salary. In new salary, you can add the new employees. In hold, due to certain reasons, you can hold the salary. And stop the salary when the employee resigns for certain valid reasons, and release salary in case if the salary was put on hold due to XYZ reasons. You can type the employee name where the employee information will get pulled from the employee detail. As per the level of the employees, we can set up the salary structure and effective date. Then we can define the employee CTC. Based on the CTC value, remaining inputs will get automatically calculated for annually and monthly basis. Once salary information is added for a new employee into a payroll process, manager will get a notification in the mail and in the application also to approve the employee's salary details. In salary revision, we can increase the salary for the employee who is already having an existing salary by specifying the increased percent value and the effective date. As per the percentage, it will automatically calculate the annual CTC for that employee. We can show the details of the loss of pay for the employees and can even add or edit the LOP days. The arrear amount will be automatically added in this tab when we update the salary of an employee in the salary revision process and approve it. We can also add arrears amount for a particular employee, like example, bonus, incentive, etc. We can add TDS value for each employee annually based on the fiscal year. The TDS amount will be deducted every month from an employee that would be calculated according to the remaining months in the fiscal year. In our Advanced Loan tab, here you can define the loan based on the various loan types, be it an interest-free, reducing the rate of interest, flat rate of interest, and EMI based. And once the loan is planned, you can see all the payment schedules and repayments. In Revision tab, if an employee wants to take an advance loan again before completing his previous loan payment, you can define the top-up payment, loan period, and new interest rate. In Reimbursement inputs, you can add a number of reimbursement details for an employee from their annual CTC as per the company options like books and periodical, fuel, LTA, medical, etc. You can get quick salary statement for a particular employee type, month, and a year. You can select the preference for viewing the salary statement and can export the data into the Excel format to your local machine. In our payroll statements, with your preferred selected columns, you can download the employee salary statement in Excel and PDF format. Even in the payroll differences, you can see the salary difference between the selected month of all the employees with respect to the components. In payouts, by checking the selected employees, you can download one or multiple pay slips of the employees. You can get the details of the monthly processed payouts and YTT payouts. Under Payslip tab, on Select of an employee, we can view the payslip of the employee if it is processed for a selected month. We can download the payslip and even can send the link to the employee's email. In PF statement, you can get the PF details of the employees depending on the selected month of the fiscal year. You can also get the details of the reimbursement payslips, YTD summary, reimbursement, loan, and IT declaration statements. In statutory statements, you can get the details of the paid TDS values of all the employees depending on monthly, quarterly, YTD, and annually, and even you can get the PF and PT statements. In our payroll settlements, when the employee resigns, all the various inputs will capture from the resignation date to the notice period and existing leaves will be calculated. Settlement sheets will be sent to the ex-employees. Once the ex-employee confirms, the final settlement will be released. You can resettle the employee with the valid remarks and reasons in case there is any discrepancies in final settlement. Form 16B, IT declaration form, and Form 12BB can be generated from this payroll application with all the relevant details based on the salary of the employee for the one fiscal year. In general, HR365 Payroll application covers the entire spectrum of employee life cycle management in terms of salary and payments. Thank you for spending time with us. I hope I have covered most of the important points. If you want more information, please don't hesitate to contact us.